The Man of Steel system is a wearable linear solenoid electrodynamic suspension. It's designed with electrical winding coils. The coils are coupled to other metallic wire. The wire is a copper wire that's coupled to a ferromagnetic wire that's also coupled to a paramagnetic wire, which is aluminum. Aluminum, iron, and copper are spun together in a linear solenoid type and also in a magnetic suspension pancake coil type. These are coupled to the biometric range and design as far as to enclose in your body as a human facility, as a UAV drone or manned UAV drone. The design is designed with aluminum or paramagnetic enclosure. However, the paramagnetic and diamagnetic enclosures are copper and aluminum. So copper is a part of the frontal exterior of the enclosure, and the back of the exterior enclosure side is aluminum. Is going to be local to the copper coils, which is actually going to suspend and move the cape upward into the ear. The cape is deforming into rectangular blades, and these are coupled to the rear of the suit back area of the exterior, and they are to act as wings, as being pushed as solenoid sensory, as to pull or push to lift the diamagnetic repulsive or linear solenoid actuate the aluminum away from the exterior that is coupled to the exterior frame surfaces. As far as the actuator, the electrical energy winding solenoid sense pushes the bore of the aluminum blocking to the ear, carrying the inertial mass by longitudinal electrodynamic torque force energies that phase the aluminum, being common repulsive, actuated into the ear electrodynamically by electromagnetic pulse, strength, and torque that forces the aluminum block bladed cape to lift into the ear, moving upward, also carrying the inertial mass against the weight, its weight of gravity.
The Man of Steel biomechatronic flight suit machine uses micro-miniaturized brushless motor bracket mount. Exhibiting ball joints are arranged alongside circular radius gauge alongside of the base of the motor bracket in a chain. The motor bracket bearing brushless motor exhibiting ball arm joints so that one joint supports another bracket bearing brushless motor ball arm joint further in the chain. The path is controlled by the coordinated motion alongside the biometric shape. Biometric biomechatronic motor power dynamic stabilization chain biaxial ROM bracket bearing 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor armature coupler weight rotary produces kinetic energy force vertical or horizontal dynamic stabilization. The biomechatronic gape functional likenesses as an ultrasonic piezoelectric fan bearing dual RC miniature ramjet engines shaft on the back side of the upper ends locally alongside the vertebrae. The miniature RC scramjet rotary engine chamber operates by combustion of fuel in a stream of air compressed by the forward speed of the suit craft itself. Compressor throughput a vertical section of the fan blade dispatching air. The vertical mechatronic wearable back cape operates horizontal oscillation intense radiation hypersonic reciprocating pressure forces matter against the weight of from the earth. Gravity is an hypersonic propeller for levitation as to fly. Full mechatronic reciprocating force matter against the earth. Gravity is an propeller for levitation as to fly at speeds between Mach 15 and Mach 20. Or more than 11,400 miles per hour. However, because the hypersonic solenoid suit operates acoustophoresis within proximity while traveling transonic, this matter may not have any effect on the suit pressure switch, which may double the radiation force against matter between the medium rise within vector or proximity three-dimensional area of fraction.